Well, tonight thousands are still without power and cleaning up the damage after another round of winter weather over the weekend.
Yeah, that 1-2 punch over the past few weeks has left tree crews scrambling to clear up potentially dangerous limbs across Metro Detroit.
7 Action News reporter Whitney Burney joining us live after tagging along with some local crews. Whitney, what's happening?
Hey, you two. This neighborhood here in Dearborn Heights is one of the areas that saw a lot of downed trees following those 2 storms. I'm going to step out of the way so you guys can see. There's a tree in this neighbor's backyard here that was a part of those trees that were down. And although it's been cleaned up today, the damage is still lasting with a broken shed and garage.
This has been 12th day in a row of nothing but storm work, and we're just trying to help as many people as possible.
Today, arborists are hard at work after neighborhoods were hit hard with wintry weather twice in a matter of weeks.
I hear crackling, and next thing you know, I'm like, ooh, and I hear bam. So I look out, and I really couldn't tell what was going on. I thought a tree had just, a branch just fell on top of it.
James Keene says during the ice storm, multiple branches went through a shed in his backyard.
I came out and looked, and I realized that it actually, the big branch impaled my shed. And I have a motorcycle in there and lawn equipment.
The crew with Horton's Tree Service said they've been all over cleaning up things just like this.
We've had a lot on houses, some just down in yards, but there's a lot of damage everywhere, and this particular storm, unfortunately, is everywhere. Usually it's kind of one secluded area, but this is all over Metro Detroit, so it's kept us extremely busy.
The list of work orders long for crews in Canton, too.
I can't remember a winter that's been this bad. For sure, the ice storm a week ago was crazy. The heavy, wet snow we just had has really been a lot of damage.
Brian Dobbs with PPM Tree Service says they've worked for 7 days straight working to clear neighborhoods. He says this is a good time to take a look at the trees in your yard and see if you could prevent one falling and causing serious damage. Look at your trees. If you have a dead tree, have it removed ASAP. Large leads over homes, have your trees evaluated. Yeah, definitely be proactive. Now, the arborists that we got a chance to speak with today, both from Horton's and PPM, both estimate it'll take through the rest of the week before they have all of their work orders for downed trees cleared. Live here in Dearborn Heights, Whitney Burney, 7 Action News.
All right, Whitney, thank you.